Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have the lemon drop cocktail. Oh, you guys, let me tell you, there's a couple things I did to this. I had a few twists, so you guys want to stay tuned, you guys. It's gonna take you a quick flashback back today when you were at 5 or 6, getting those candies in your mouth, at least for me, you know. Memories, memories, memories. So if you want a little flashback and learn how to create something neat, make sure you guys stay tuned, all right? Cheers. So first thing today we're gonna do, you guys, is we're actually gonna put the garnish on here. Just put the sugar right on top. So for that, we're gonna need to get the zest from the lemon, all right, guys? Mix it in with the raw sugar. Get that zest in there. It's not like you need the zest anyways. You're just gonna squeeze the juice right out of there. Get a little spoon. And now that you're done with that, now you guys, we're gonna start off all the things we need to do. Get our shakers. Cut this lemon open. And about 2 ounces of this. So 1 lemon is not gonna be enough. Luckily I have the backup one that I made the garnish with. Lemons are getting pricier and less juice as well. If I wouldn't spill most of it, that would help too. All right guys, 2 ounces. Then you're gonna follow it off with your vodka, any vodka of your choice, you guys. I actually chose Tito's, and I enhanced it with some lemon zest, let it rest for like 4 to 5 hours. You can just buy the Absolute or already infused with the citrus, but I like doing it this way, you know. Tastes more refined, in my opinion. Everybody's opinion is different, right? So you need 2 ounces of this. And you are gonna fine strain it, so it doesn't matter. Boom. 2 ounces of that sucker right there. Whee! Gonna put a couple ice cubes in there. Get some liquor in your eye, why not? Why? It's gonna burn. Wait, I don't know if it's the liquor, I don't know if it's the lemon, but something burned. So after you get 4 ice cubes in there, you guys, you're gonna put it over here. Then you're gonna get your sugar. You're gonna get your spoon. You can use 1 thing of sugar, or you can use 2, doesn't matter. We'll go with 1.5. There you go. And now you're gonna give it your shake, you guys. You're gonna wanna shake for a long time to break up that sugar, make sure everything gets blended in perfectly. You know what, pinche drink todo jodido la madre. All right guys, after that, get your cup. Bring it all up. Bam, look at that beauty right there. Throw that in there. Get a little garnish right here. You can either put it on the top, put it on the side. I'll put it on the side. After you have that, get your cup. Get 1 strainer. Get the other. Bam. Get every drop. There you guys have it. And the point of the sugar mixed in with the zest is that every time you take a sip, oh, you're gonna get that sweetness and then that bitter, that citric acid right there in the purest form. It's gonna remind you back from your childhood, you guys. Ooh, that sugar does help a lot, you guys. It makes it taste way better, fuses everything perfectly. I love it, reminding me back from my childhood, guys. It's like I'm 5 years old, going to freaking Hollywood videos, getting a movie, getting one of those little lemon drops, eating them at home while watching the movie. Ooh, it takes me way back, 20 years plus or more. Those were the days. All right, guys. If you like the drink, you like what you saw, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any drink out there that you want me to create. Any drink at all, and I'll make it for you guys, all right? This is Alejandro The Mixologist, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I have our our raw sugar over here, you guys. You're gonna get your lemon, you're gonna just take the zest right off of it, mix it with the sugar, you guys. Apparently I'm using the wrong tools, so I'm all over the place today. All right, guys, so first thing we're gonna do today we're actually gonna garnish our club. So we're, our club. No, we're highway. All right, cool. So after you get 4 lemons in there, 4 lemons. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. That's what happens when you don't sleep. Chingadera.